Hello guys, welcome back to Tikesh. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about blogging. Blogging is the most popular thing right now. Many guys are making huge money with the blog. Even some are not making, but if you go in a right way, you are going to make a huge money with these blogs. Like there are so many niches are there. Now I'm going to tell you few blogging mistakes which kill my time, and it was wasted so lot of my time and money. Now I'm starting with my blogging. Like a few years back, I started a blog, like a shortcut blog on a blogspot.com. The extension comes as shortcut.com.blogspot.com. In this blog, I started creating content about online money making, digital marketing, how to create a blog on Blogspot, and related most of stuff related this. Along with this one, I started a YouTube channel. uh, for that one what I'm going to tell you is for the after few days I almost posted 20 article within 6 months span. I got a AdSense approval, and initially I didn't target on AdSense, but I was mostly focused on like affiliation marketing, but I didn't make any sales. But I'm not focused on making blog. First of all, you want to become a great blogger. We have to write how to write article, and you have to learn write how to create a content to attract the to attract the viewers, like a pitching content which make like you're not writing content, you're writing a sales script for your blog. For that way you can write a content writing. First you have to learn content writing. Remaining comes on the next. First thing comes on the content writing. You have to write a great content. You can, if you are great content writer, you can make wonders in blogging field. But how many of you know how to write a content? But there are so many resources are there. Take any course from Udemy, or you can start learning online by reading a lot. You can learn content writing. Just if you selected any particular niche, in that niche go to like a find top 10 blogs and read their articles. After reading their articles, you will get an idea how to write content, how to write pitching content, how to attract attract the audience with our content. First comes first you have to learn about this thing, and later you will go to online like a SEO optimization, social media marketing. This comes on a second part. And now what I'm going to tell you my blogging mistake. I started blog on a blogspot blog. With this blogspot blog, what I did is this section I posted 20 articles. With these 20 articles, like after I was migrated to iPage hosting. After when I migrated to iPage hosting, what biggest problem is that uh, in this in in this blogspot, the blogspot or blog extension would be, if every blog spot we have a uh, extension like this. Like a later I purchase a custom domain, like you don't have your domain will be like you don't have this one. Your your web URL will be like this. After that what I did, I created a blog in a WordPress. I used a iPage. When you create a page, your URL would be like this. After that what I did, I faced so many problems in to edit my all 20 articles. To remove these things, it take almost 1 week for uh, composing, editing every articles on in WordPress blog. I wasted if you started with a custom WordPress blog, you can save a lot of time. In this 1 week or 1 month time, you can write more articles and you can do more SEO for your blog. And after taking iPage hosting, like it's not my hosting, I posted my articles in my friend's iPage hosting. I asked him, he has this shared hosting. Like after creating content for 1 to 2 months, unfortunately what I my hosting, I cannot log into my hosting. I cannot post articles on my page. When I'm going to admin, there's so many errors are coming on iPage hosting. Then I decided to take a new hosting. What I did is, my preference are like a affordable hosting. One is Bluehost and one is Hostinger. At last I decided to take a Bluehost hosting, and I took a Bluehost and started. After taking Bluehost, I am so happy. It was very friendly. It was good hosting company. We can do so many things. For this like I page for the debugging, I did everything, every try, but it was not, I didn't find any solution. After what I did is like I copied every article manually and download every article manually, and I deleted my blog on iPage and created freshly on once again in Bluehost. It was wasted around 3 to 6 months for doing debugging everything. Now I'm in a like a Bluehost. In Bluehost, I created new domain, and it's very compared to the previous hosting everything. Bluehost is little bit easier for me. Bluehost is a popular Bluehost type. When you picking any domain like a hosting company, pick like a popular hosting company. For popular hosting company, you will get queries easily. If there's so many users are there, like if they will get any problem, they will resolve easily. You can find solution very easy with popular hostings like this. uh, Now I'm hosting in this Bluehost. After that, what to edit, compose everything, it takes so much time. Wasted almost 1.5 year. I wasted in this hosting and everything. This I hope like please don't do this mistake. If you want to start blog, if you are serious enough, you can start blog with like a I like a hostinger is cheap, like compared to many hostinger cost you around uh, a thousand, like a now there's a Black Friday offer is running. They're selling like a 60%, 70% off on their hosting services. My humble request you to please don't repeat those type of mistake. I will tell you simple trick to start a blog. uh, uh, if you have if you are if you have want to start a blog, pick any topic which like if you are a passionate, if you are a hobby, you like if you have a sports hobby, if you like sports, if you are very familiar with sports, create a blog on sports. Like if why I'm telling you, if you don't have any hobbies, any interest, try to pick any profitable niche which don't have low competition, high volume. You have to saturate keywords around this one. Create a blog. Like if you are picking domain, don't go with a like a abcd.com, or if you are create a logo domain .in.us, don't go with a abc hyphen cd.com like this. Okay, next, pick a proper like a, on that you have to write a content, like a write 10 to 10 articles, like high quality articles, like a initially we may make so many mistake while writing. It's okay, write by writing. After creating like content like this, or 20 10 or 20 or 5 to 10, if 5, if you write 10 or 20 is great. Post art initially first 3 months you have to post at least to 1 to 2 articles, like a schedule 2 articles in your blog. After that, after posting 3 to 4 articles, market your on social media, Facebook, Instagram, everything whatever you have. Try to create a followers on social media, social bookmarking site, and try to get some backlinks by blog commenting on high PR30, like the like so many other ways. In upcoming ways, I'm going to explain you about everything. Please try to do like this. You will within 3 to 6 months you will get a success. After posting 20 to 30 articles, you will figure out what you are going to do. You will get some idea about blogging. Okay, like this you have to create a blog and make you within by doing this thing you can going to be success within 6 to 9 months. Minimum you're going to make $1,000, $500 to $1,000 in a month. You can start your by 6 to 9 months. uh, you always choose best hosting. My I'm suggesting these two are the like a right term affordable and good hosting companies for like a till if your traffic is 90K to 1, they can bear 1 lakh. If your traffic is more than 1 lakh, you have to upgrade your hosting to SiteGround, Wix. There's so many big hosting companies SSL certified, so you can go to next level after getting money. Okay. I hope this video I hope you like this video. Check the description for like a big billions, like not big billion, Black Friday offers. Thank you. Stay tuned for more videos like this.